And I'll be back with my final results. Hey you guys, it's Dijanae here again. I'm back with a brand new video. Now it is 10 p.m. at night, but I decided to just film this video and start this intro because we gotta get things moving, okay? It's been a while since I dropped a video because Gossip Girl was a main thing on my channel, but that's neither here nor there. I'm just gonna bring y'all content that I love to make. I just love to recreate things or to just try to challenge my creativity. So yeah, that brings me to why we are here today. Okay. So today I am going to show you guys how I am recreating this flower wall look. I'm not sure if what she did was a flower wall, but what I'm going to do will be a flower wall. I just decided to do this because I don't know, I thought it was cute. I love flowers and I'm just impulsive, so I decided to do it. Child, every time I record, I swear to God, every time I record. But yes, I'm impulsive, so I decided to just do it. I'll show you guys some of the materials that I'm going to be using, okay? First off, I went and bought me a bunch of flowers from Michael's and Dollar Tree. Now, I didn't like the flowers in Dollar Tree when I actually sat and went to look at these today, so majority of my, well, not majority, all of my flowers will be from Michael. I was able to get some on sale or whatever the case may be. I had coupons and stuff, but girl, this was a cute little coin, all these flowers. Like, I legit literally have a table full of flowers downstairs. Now, I see that people were using sheets. I didn't want to use sheets. I decided to get like the little canvas. So whenever I'm done, I'm just gonna probably like hang them up in my room or like my bathroom or something. But yeah, so I ended up getting the 16 by 20. It was a 5-pack. This was on sale for $19.99. So I just went and got me 2 packs. I actually have 10. So yeah, I just was gonna hot glue it together or whatever. Just because I wasn't paying $80 for no big canvas. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm not the rich girl I want to be yet. I mean, I am rich, but I'm not, you know, rich. So I wasn't spending no $80 on that. No sir, no ma'am, no Pam, no spam. Yeah. And lastly, I went and got me a hot glue gun, and I'm going to be using this as well to glue the flowers onto the canvas and to glue the canvases together. So yep, I'm just going to give you guys a little show of me like trying to glue these flowers onto this canvas, and yeah, let's jump right into it. Yeah, so I told you guys it was nothing but a bunch of flowers that I got. Girl. All right, y'all, I want to say it's like almost 1 a.m. I basically ran out of flowers and I only used 3 of, oh my God, my face is oily. Sorry. I only got to use like 3 of my canvases, but I'm gonna show you guys how it looks right now. I'm gonna have to probably wake up tomorrow and go to Michael's and finish. Ooh, I'm tired. And finish this. So let me show you guys how it came out. Yeah, if it focus. Yeah, so this is how it came out. I like it or whatever. It's cute. I just have to get more flowers, but yeah, it looks really freaking cute. And yeah, y'all, yeah, y'all gonna see me finish the rest of it tomorrow, but as of now I have to go to sleep because I gotta create some content for tomorrow morning. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to Michael's. All right, y'all, I'm back as I promised y'all. What time is it today? Well, not today. What time is it right now? It is 2:22. I didn't go to sleep until like 4 a.m. so I had a late start this morning. Yeah, I went to Michael's, got me some more flowers. Girl. I came to the realization that I really didn't need a lot of flowers, and I was kind of being like, you know, pessimistic and cheap at first, and I was like, you know what, I ain't about to spend all that money. But girl, your good Judy had to spend all that money. I originally, well, not originally, the first price was $800. But The good thing about Michael's is like they always have coupons. I'm a rewards member, so I get like $10 off here and there. And yeah, I was able to find a 30% coupon, and it brought my total all the way down to $500. It still kind of broke the bank, but it's worth it. I really don't regret anything that I do when I spend my money. I'm very impulsive. I guess that's just the Aries in me. I guess that's just the Aries in me. I'm very, 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 very impulsive. Can be a good thing. Sometimes it can be a bad thing, but at the end of the day, I really don't care. I'll show you guys some of the flowers that I got to pick up. I actually liked these flowers a little bit better. Like they look really, really cute. Really, really cute. So yeah, here are some of the flowers that I was able to get. Yeah. Very cute, very colorful. I made sure to get these type of colors, like so it could be more springish summer. Even though I know that summer is almost over, but like this is like the last shebang. So I wanted to get this. I'm not really into like the fall colors. They're just like really fallish. Spring is my favorite season, and then fall follows up. But yeah, so these are some of them right here. And I didn't really show you guys like on camera like how I was really doing it, but like at first I tried to cut the stem. I couldn't really cut the stem, obviously, so I would just do like this, pop it off, and then I would like cut like this little piece down a little bit more, and then I would just like glue it onto the canvas or whatever. I finally found a good way of taking these flowers off. Also, there's something else. Oh yeah, I know what else I had to tell you guys. And if you don't want to like buy the big long stemmed flowers, I actually went and got like the little pot ones. These ones were really, really cute, like, and it was very much my aesthetic, so I recommend these. These are a little bit cheaper, probably like $2-3 cheaper, but listen, these flowers add up. You see this little $5.99 or $3.99, baby, it start adding up, so be careful. And also I went and got the Gorilla Glue for the hot glue gun, because the glue that I was using, it was working with the flowers, but it wasn't really holding my canvas together the way how I wanted it to. So when I went to Michael's, I asked them like, you know, how would it go about, you know, holding the canvases together, and it's like it probably would be a better, you know, a better result. So I'm just gonna switch my glue with this, and yeah, we about to get into it. Okay. All right, I'm back. Yeah, I want to say it's like almost 10 p.m. If not almost 10 p.m., it's definitely 10 p.m. Yeah, I think I started this, like really started this around maybe like 2:30, like 3 o'clock. I can't really remember the time. Yes, really, it really took me that long to finish this. Yeah, so like let's get into it or whatever. Let's see how this looks. Okay, don't mind my cat, she's annoying. But this is how the flower wall came out. I really love it. It's not supposed to be identical to the person's who flower wall I did get the inspiration from. However, I'm supposed to put my own little twist on it, and I liked it. Definitely burnt my hand a couple of times, and yeah, it was a lot going on. Say hi, go get your. All right, so the next part that I'm going to do is I'm going to put these flowers on my bikini. It's like 2 purples. I'm not going to show y'all guys that part because listen, it took a lot for me to show y'all that part with me putting the flowers on the wall. But yeah, I'm going to mix these 2 flowers together on a bikini. I just went and got like a black bikini. I don't know how I'm going to like make everything look, but yeah, y'all gonna see the final results tomorrow because I gotta actually take my hair out and, you know, get my wig and stuff ready for tomorrow. So yeah, I got a lot going on, as you can see, but yeah, we'll check back in once, I don't know when, y'all. We'll check back in. And then I just changed my flowers, and I put the flowers on a bikini. Well, my photographer did. He put it on my bikini for me while I was getting ready and stuff or whatever. So yeah, I went with 2 different colors because I think it would fit my flower bed more. And I'll be back with my final results. All right, so I am here to show you guys the results of my photo shoot. Now, it was a lot of work, I will not lie. A lot of money. A lot of money. But the way how the pictures came out, I genuinely felt like it was a good investment. I got a lot of good feedback from it. I got to challenge my creativity and challenge, you know, how I create content. Cause like, you know, I did a photo shoot, but it was still me creating content because I put it on my Instagram, put it on my TikTok, or whatever the case may be, and it was a good learning experience. If you guys want to do it, I say do it. I didn't really have that many problems with doing this. This wasn't like the Polaroid dress. It's very much simple. Everything that I showed in this video is how you're going to achieve it without any problems. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys love this tutorial. Let me know in the comments what you liked about it. Would you try to do this, and what you think I could have done, you know, better, or just give me some type of critiques. It's fine. It's okay. It's okay. But yeah, so with that being said, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will leave my Instagram down below, and I will see you all on my next video.